The new residential project, Baan Puripuri, focuses on creating a comfortable living environment in Bangkok's urban context with unique and contemporary design. The three-story townhome located in one of the densely populated districts in the eastern part of Bangkok features an internal open-air courtyard that helps create a bright and airy atmosphere and incorporates greenery into the living space. The central courtyard, which takes up almost one-third of the house area, connects primary functional spaces from the front to the back. It is one of the passive design features to weather the tropical climate challenges in urban conditions. Hardscape features were used in the area of the courtyard to maximize the utilization of outdoor space. A series of low-slope tiled steps mixed with planters and ponds turn this space into an oasis closely connected to the living room. When those steel-framed glass doors are widely open, interior and exterior spaces will seamlessly merge into one large living room. All areas of the house also have an open view of the central court's green zone, thus creating interactions between users living in different areas of the home while still keeping their privacy. The concept of green space integration has also been reflected through architectural elements. Large cubic planters on the balcony look unique, and the facade of the building is equipped with a steel grating for a future vertical garden. Once the plants are fully grown and cover up the whole panels, the blade walls that protrude out from the building will reinforce this architecture's existence. The ending edge of each blade wall is skewed at different angles to create distinct dimensions. Adding a touch of contemporary style by cladding color mirror tiles, inspired by a decorative technique in traditional Thai temple architecture. Baan Puripuri, Courtyard Patanakarn is a small housing complex consisting of 37 units and available in 3 different types. The clubhouse, situated at the entrance, is designed with the same architectural language as the townhome. The building seems to hide behind a garden that runs parallel to the pool. It leads to the wall, which supports the simple square building mass of the clubhouse. Its facade is eye-catching with a cylindrical set of various sizes in golden brown tones. They sway in the wind and add a new dimension and dynamism to the building as well as provide privacy for internal users. All components were inspired by the silk textile's gleaming texture, which incorporates contemporary details to make a difference in architecture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.